Here's MGM Mirage and partner Pansy Ho plan an IPO for their Macau casino in the third quarter. Bloomberg's Deidre Bolton sat down with the MGM CEO, and she joins us now with more. Deidre.
Well, Carol, it's about timing, right? It always is, and that's what the new news is about. So this IPO in Macau, always meant to be in the second half of the year, but when we sat down with Murren, we got him to be a little more precise.
I just got back from there, so I'm a little tired.
Okay.
But we picked book runners. We haven't announced that yet, but we internally decided who are going to run the books for the IPO. That starts the clock ticking the way you do it in Hong Kong. And I'm confident we'll get the IPO done in the third quarter, probably in the August-September timeframe.
All right, and worth noting, of course, Carol, I mean, this company this time last year was on the verge of bankruptcy. So this has really been a turnaround story. Right. And I can tell you, having spoken with Murren a year ago at this time, I mean, his tone is completely different. You know, he is visibly relieved. So it seems like capitalizing a little bit on the positive momentum, shoring up the balance sheet, and we actually got him to be a little bit more precise about the extension of a debt offering.
The good news is we can work on our time frame now. That wasn't the case a year ago. We were really a product of the markets, whatever they were at the time. But right now we have, really, my guess would be between now and the end of June, we will do that bond deal. It's about an $850 million senior secured bond deal. The rates are fairly attractive right now. What that'll do is push out another big part of our debt into probably 10-year paper, and that'll really give us even more flexibility in the near term.
So you heard Murren say it's just about a little more breathing room, you know, after they went through this crazy crunch. They just want to be a little bit more at ease. And of course, we're going to have the rest of the interview bright and very, very early tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Eric Schatzker and myself.